So now we're going to look at the difference between these two types of cutters. So here we've got the branch cutters, which was described for cutting branches, and this is the knob cutters, concave cutters, and this will allow us to gouge out wood to leave a concave edge. Okay, so we're looking at this tree as an example of using both these tools. So we can use the branch cutter to cut through a stump that was left from a previous cut. So previously the branch had been cut off using branch cutters such as this. So what we're going to do now is cut the stump off using the branch cutters. It's very difficult to cut the branch off using these, because you can't get in quite as easy. It would be possible to cut through this, but we're not using the correct tool for the correct job, and we're much more likely to damage the tool. So using the correct branch cutters to cut through initially, we're using all of the blade there to get through. So what we're going to do is cut through, and we're going to leave a couple of centimetres there. Now you can see cutting with the branch cutters leaves a V indentation. That's okay for a rough cut, but when we're looking to ensure that it calluses over attractively, this isn't good at all. So this is where the knob cuts come in. So for cutting in a concave fashion, using these allows us to gouge out and eat away at the wood. You can see just taking away little bits at a time, eating away at the wood, and we end up with a concave finish there. And what happens is it calluses over and becomes nice and flat. Okay, so depending on the level of delicacy or the thickness of the branch or the stub that we're looking to cut, we've got two sizes. Here's the smaller size. You see obviously the end there, much more delicate than this big brother. Okay. So using the smaller version, we get a lot more control, and we're not taking away as much wood at one time. So this is ideal for show hin trees, for finishing off delicate work.